Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here and I'm so excited for this video because this is an entire house video except for the third floor. Enjoy guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a whole house tour for you guys. So this is the front door. The welcome sign is from Walmart and the flowers wreath is from Goodwill, and these two plants right here, fake plants, are from Home Goods, and I need to replace those. My chairs, adult chairs, were given to me at work for free. The linters was from my mom, and the two pillows are from Walmart as well. Coming in, guys. Welcome to my home, guys. I mentioned this bench or ornament before. I got it at Goodwill. It was brand new. My tray, mirror tray, is from Home Goods. So is the orchid flower. I have two sconces right here, which are from Goodwill. And this beautiful wall art is from American Furniture Warehouse. My pillow is from Home Goods. My throw blanket was given to me by my mom. And this is actually a navy blue chair, which you can tell. But that it was from Goodwill. It was actually brand new. But it's a Target brand. And here, takes you to the living room prior to us going there. This is another wall. And I have this beautiful mirrors. Here is our coat closet, and this is a restroom right there, which I can definitely take you guys inside since this is a whole entire home tour. Guys, my bathroom is very narrow, but I have this beautiful wall art that I got from Family Dollar. It's actually very huge. There's nothing much to see here except for toilet. I don't think you want to see inside of my toilet. So this wall is missing some things. I had hung some things there, but they fell out. So I'm taking my time because I want to put some folding shelf right here. And the mirror is this way. And there goes the toilet that I didn't want to show. So there's nothing much to see here, guys. Let's take you right here. I love these on this wall. So this is where we actually came from. So let's close this door, guys. This is going to be very long. I hope you enjoy it. There's a mirror, guys. I love this mirror. We check ourselves out before leaving the house, making sure we are good to leave the house. And guys, I love inspirational quote. Love is all you need. Families is always and forever. And this is right here when you come down the stairs. So I'm gonna take you now to my living room. Guys, this is my living room. If you've seen my previous video, you should know what it looks like, but if you have not, welcome to my home. Let's start this side. Let me turn for you guys. Guys, I'm living a minimal life, which I love. If I don't need it, I'm not purchasing it. And if I have it, it needs to mean something or have a purpose there. So I'm getting rid of a lot of things. And the things that I'm keeping, you know, like the KonMari method, it has to spark joy. So guys, let's start on the left side here. I have a home sign from Ross, a book end, which I need to add books there. On the bottom, I have a globe. Right there is a remote control box, which is the white box right there on the left side. On my right side, I guess. I have an elephant down there TV Entertainment Center is from American Furniture Warehouse, which they do have it in a lot of places in the state, but you can also order online. And right there, I have another globe. My husband is in love with globes. Listen, I didn't know that. So every time he sees it, he wants me to purchase it. Another home sign, which is also from Ross. That in the middle right there looks like a pumpkin, but it's not like a traditional pumpkin color, so you can use it all over the year, or all around, should I say. And this mirror is from Home Good. It's like the top of the living room. When people come over, they ask me where I get it, and a lot of people can't find it, but surprisingly a lot of people do find these at Home Goods. So I guess they're not looking correctly. My drapes is from Tuesday Morning, and I love it at night. Look at it, it's so beautiful, guys. This gold leaves in that vase is from Goodwill. It was around the holidays, but I like it actually because I can use it around the year. And the vase itself is from Goodwill, guys. I thrift store shop a lot because I prefer it that way. I feel like I find some gems, should I say, or like some things that you won't find usually in other stores, and you find them for a very good price. And let's come to my table right here. These two things are from a local, these two vases, which I really like. It's from a local store here called Court Furniture. Let's come this side. Two candle holders and a tray. And my chairs also are from American Furniture Warehouse. All my big pieces, furnitures, guys, are from American Furniture Warehouse. Let me turn this side. Right there, guys, I had a family sign on that wall that is next to the Families Forever, and it fell down and it broke. Actually, my husband actually talks about it all the time for me to get it. I'm like, sir, listen, you need to wait. And right there, the clock is from Walmart. Sorry guys, I had a brain freeze for a while. And that love sign also from Walmart. The Family is Forever sign, I believe I got it from Ross or Family Dollar, I'm not quite sure. The pillows came with the couch, except for these two pillows are from Burlington, and the throw blanket, which I truly love and I keep it all year long, is also from Home Goods. And guys, let me take it to the kitchen. And guys, this is a corner of my house on the wall that I truly am proud of, because guys, look, it's not all glam and glitz, but it has your contemporary, it has your traditional, and it has your glam. As you can see, my decor is not all glam. I don't like everything shiny, I don't like everything bling, and I truly do not like everything all farmhouse. My husband actually doesn't like farmhouse style. I kind of like it on the down low, but that's a different story right there. These three beautiful glittering diamond wall art are from Ross. This wall art, which is beautiful, it's like a Z Gallery inspired. It's from Goodwill actually, guys. Yeah, you won't believe it. That mirror on the right is also from Goodwill. My table is from Ross. The flower orchid is also from Home Goods, and my candle holders and the candles are from Ross. And guys, I have a sign there that says don't forget. I usually leave small notes there for my husband, and this is where we leave our keys. And my keys, I kept it in my purse tonight, and my husband is not yet home. And guys, I updated my cabinet, should I say updated or revamped it. I actually painted these myself. Let me take you closer. I do not want to show you guys my dirty dishes. Listen, I'm not in the mood to be washing dishes right now. I'm super uber tired, but I really wanted to get this video out. Let's talk about these drapes right here. They're beautiful. I love the gold. I like mixing metals. I don't want it to be all silver or all gold. The backsplash is from home. It's actually from Amazon. It's a stick and peel, and it has been there for like over 6 to 9 months now, guys, and it's good. Sorry for the dishes, guys. We live here, we cook, we eat here. and it's real life, guys. My kickstand is actually from Goodwill. So is my cookie jar. So is my bowl, my fruit bowl. And right here I have a lemonade and an oil. Really nice and comfy here. And so yeah, guys, this is the overview. And this is where we were previously. And I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Let's go. And guys, I'm gonna walk with you upstairs. If you hear any noises, those are my kids. My first baby boy, my family and I, prior to all the kids. Some family pictures here and there. I don't want to show everybody, but this is my wall collection. And there is some on this wall as well. And guys, look how beautiful this is. When we first built the house, the builders, they had nothing here. And you know, like when you look at the model home, and I was like, I really want to put something here. And when we found this at American Furniture Warehouse, I was obsessed. And it comes with a matching mirror, not to show me on there. Let me give you guys a different angle, because I do not want to be seen right now. My two lamps are from Home Goods, guys. You guessed it. It's the store I feel like I can go in one shop and get everything there. Let me take you guys to the kids' room. Guys, if you've been following me for a while, you have seen my kids' room already. So there's nothing new here, and you hear that noise, I need to change the battery. Listen, there's no such thing as perfection. My daughter's bed and my son's bed. Guys, their closet, there's nothing to see here much. I'm gonna take you guys to the hallway. And guys, this side is actually my bedroom, and I'm gonna do a whole bedroom tour. But this is basically the simple layout of my bedroom. And I don't want to go too much detail about it because I'm gonna do a bedroom tour, but this is my bedroom. And this is not only for the video. I keep my house like this all the time because I actually want my mind to be clean and clear, and my bedroom to be clean, and also my kids' bedroom to be clean. I want them to learn that you have to make your bed, clean the house before you leave, and when you come back, you know, everything is good. So this is how we left this morning. I didn't even prep for this. So sorry guys, not trying to brag. But everything is not perfect, but at least I try. So I don't want to go to details in this room. Like I say, I'm gonna do a different video. Guys, I had to do a voiceover here because my kids were making so much noise upstairs. It's not even funny. So what I was saying in the video is that this is a section of our house that I truly like. It's basically like a little corner that I created. I need to change some of those mirrors. I feel like they're too black for that, you know, the look I was going for. But it's a little corner where we can come sit down, pray, read the Bible. My husband loves coming here, sitting down to read the Bible, pray, and just like clear your mind. You can have tea, coffee, whichever fits your boat. What kind of drink you guys like to drink. But I'm a tea girl. We're a tea family, actually. We don't like coffee that much. But yeah, you can come and enjoy here. This table is actually from Goodwill, guys. It was brand new. If you know, Goodwill has a blue tack, which is from Target, that they actually purchased it themselves. And this is actually real marble. It's so sturdy, so heavy, and it sparkles, guys. And the floral arrangements are from Home Home Goods on my right, and this small one on the books actually is from Goodwill. Really like it. I was like, this is so cute. So I put it right there, and the chairs are from Facebook Marketplace. Right there is a laundry room, and behind me is actually the coat closet. So guys, right now we are entering the guest bedroom. A lot of people who have been following me have not yet seen my guest bedroom, guys, because it's not really something to show. I have not finished it yet. When I do, I will definitely do a reveal. I just have some drips that are from Walmart and I believe Home Goods, and also my bedding and the bed sheet and the comforter is from Walmart, and then the bed and the whole bed set is from Court Furniture here in my local city. And this is just a small place for someone to come and rest. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. This is where we were prior, and I just have a computer here for the kids to use. When they do come, they bring their chair, and this is not where it's going to stay permanently. I'm just trying to figure out where to put it. This mirror is from Home Goods. I just like the distressed farm look, just on the low key, like I mentioned prior, but I don't want to fully commit to a farm look because it's not my style quite, but I kind of like it. I'm attracted to it, guys. So this is the guest bedroom, and from there on it's going to be the end of the video, guys, because upstairs is actually the third floor, and if you want to see this video for the third floor, if you look at my previous video, you will see it. My kids are over there and they're making a lot of noise, so I'm not filming it right now. This is the guest closet. My mom left her dress there, and I like to see it. Just reminds me of mom being here for the holidays. Guys, yeah, this is a simple guest room, and this is upstairs, as I mentioned. If you're truly interested to see it, please look at the video that was previous to this one, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave all my information in the description below, how you can find me on Instagram. God bless you all. Have a good day. Bye bye.